you gonna tell everybody what we're doing today?
We are in Switzerland, sans kids, going on a chocolate train. We're gonna eat some cheese, eat a lot of chocolate. I'm very excited.
Yes. Kid-free. Sorry, Emma and Landon.
That's the key.
Yes.
We still love y'all.
Yes. Still. Ooh, I made a noise. So yeah, Swiss average tray. Chocolate tray. Lame tray. Cool tray. Cool train. Itchy upholstery. We have a lovely view of trees. We love the trees. Oh, there's not. Oh, okay, never mind. Maybe that's what they're talking about when they say it's a view. Alright. And also we have our person coming down the aisle with all the chocolate stuff. So we are on the chocolate train. We have that served. We have our coffee. And we have our, hold on, stand by. Chocolate croissant. Let's get the reaction here. Is it a thumbs up? Cool. Alright, I better eat mine now. Train stopped, but that's okay because we just got handed some chocolate. Woo. Oh, and now it's going again. And it's super bright. Still super bright.
This is a good start to this chocolate trip.
Yeah.
I'm satisfied with.
Yeah, me too. We're hopping on the chocolate bus to take us to, I can't remember, or
Cheese factory.
The cheese factory. And Gruyères? Is that how it's spelled? Or I don't know. All right. So now we're on the chocolate bus. I could tell a joke right now, but it would just be cheesy. Doing our cheese reaction video. I'm gonna start with the 6-month cheese. It's pretty good. Good, not too strong. It's pretty strong. But I mean, it's a good cheese. It kind of reminds me of Parmesan a little bit. This doesn't remind me as much as Parmesan. Of Parmesan.
Alright, go for the 10-month.
This is the cheese that really took the most time. It's still kind of, it kind of has a different taste there.
But after a couple seconds, you get
you get like a different taste, but I couldn't tell you what it is. But overall, it's really good. I think maybe that the 6 month is my favorite, which would go against shouldn't it get better with time? Does everything get better with time?
You're
apparently
a
not
bad
cheese.
Swiss fan.
Just gotten off our chocolate bus again, and now we are entering the town of Gruyères. Right, I'm not sure where we are, but it looks like some sort of the town gates or the town wall. It's pretty cool. We're here at the chocolate factory where I'm going to be like the kid in Willy Wonka. It smells like chocolate. It's amazing.
On the ceiling.
I'm never coming. All right, so it's the end of the day. We're about to head back. I'd say it was a successful trip, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's been a great day.
What kind of time?
Lots of chocolate.
Kind of got overwhelming in that chocolate factory. I didn't really video much.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, I had other things to do.
It was cute. It was really kid friendly too, which is good to know.
Yeah, and it had chocolate, so how could you?
More chocolate.
What could you want?
Than you could
It had
ever
a gift
eat.
shop. I mean, it had cute little cows. Yeah, so it was great, and thanks for watching what will hopefully become our vlog. If not, it's like a pretty big epic fail, I would say.
We'll just have to try again. It's another day.
Yeah, I know. Okay,
Another
sounds
adventure.
good. Next weekend.